Hello my friends, hope you're having a wonderful day. Today's recipe, I'm going to show you how to make some old-fashioned buttermilk waffles. These are the bomb.com. They're going to be so delicious, fluffy, moist. It's going to melt in your mouth and you won't believe how simple this recipe is. I'm Ellen and I want to welcome all my new and returning subscribers to on. You ready, my friends? Let's go cook some waffle magic in my southern kitchen. Alright, in my large bowl, I have 2 egg yolks. We're going to add in 1 teaspoon of maple extract, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, a half a cup of white sugar, 1 cup each of buttermilk and evaporated milk, and a half a cup of canola oil. And we're going to stir all this together until it's nice and well combined. Alright my friends, the wet ingredients is nice and well combined. So now we're going to slowly add in 2 cups of self-rising flour and stir all this together. Alright, I'm going to go ahead and finish stirring my batter and I'll bring you back. Alright my friends, I'm through mixing up my waffle batter, so now we're ready to cook them. I got my waffle iron preheated and I sprayed it with cooking spray. So now we're going to pour our batter into the waffle iron. Alright my friends, I got my waffle batter in, so all we do now is cover the waffle iron. And we're going to let them cook until they're nice and golden brown. Alright, I'll see y'all back here in a minute. Alright my friends, this is what the waffle look like. That looks great. Alright, I'm about to fix me up a plate. And you can serve as many waffles as you prefer. I'm just going to serve 1 for myself. Alright, I'll bring you back. Alright my friends, there you have it. Old-fashioned buttermilk waffles. Don't they look pretty? And I'm just keeping it simple. I'm serving them with some maple syrup and some chopped strawberry. You can serve any kind of way. Alright, I'm ready to put this in my belly. Ooh, look how nice and fluffy that looks. Alright, here we go. Lord have mercy. It's so flavorful. These are some delicious waffles, my friends. Great for breakfast, brunch, waffle-licious. Hey my friends, stay tuned. My next video, I'm going to do another Q&A about myself. So please post your questions down below and I will definitely answer all of them. So stay tuned. My friends, thank you so much for watching and joining me in the kitchen today. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. I do appreciate it. Don't forget to share this with your family and friends. Like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. And click on the bell so that way you'll be notified when my new videos come out. And I'll see y'all on my next video. Let's eat!